Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change a PDF to Word document. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. For example, I have this PDF. I want to change it to Word document. Just open Word, okay? Then from open, browse, search for your PDF file, for example this one. Open. Here we have a pop-up. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just OK. Yes. Now it's changed. Now it is editable. You see? You can change its property. For example, I change its color. Then you can save it from file, save as, browse, Albert Einstein 1, save. Let's see my file, download this. That is the file I saved in Word. That's all. Have a nice day.